President Biden has announced that people who work in nursing homes must get vaccinated against the coronavirus. Good evening, I'm Bill Fitzgerald. Candace is off tonight. Our Shannon Lilly joins us live now to tell us why some healthcare workers say it is the right move to protect seniors. Shannon?
Yeah, they're calling this a step forward, Bill, but this mandate only applies to Medicare and Medicaid certified nursing homes, which is a very small fraction of the healthcare systems in our communities, which is something that one local senior living CEO tells me he finds concerning.
With this announcement, I'm using the power of the federal government
In an announcement Wednesday
as a payer of healthcare costs to ensure we reduce those risks to our most vulnerable seniors.
President Biden now requires nursing homes mandate the COVID vaccine to their staff or lose federal Medicare and Medicaid funding. A requirement some continuing care communities have already implemented here in our region.
It's not a politically driven issue. It's to protect elders, it's to protect people's lives, and it's to keep people out of hospitals.
Chris Henderson is the president and CEO of Pinnacle Living, overseeing about 1,200 residents in 5 different communities and employing more than 800.
This was a hard decision for us.
He says about 80% of Pinnacle Living employees are already vaccinated, but for those who aren't, they have until September 13th to get both doses or lose their jobs.
Unfortunately, we know we're going to lose some folks. There's no doubt about that. Not everyone is going to participate in the vaccine program.
TONYA PHILLIPS.
I am hands-on. I help residents with daily activities.
Works as a CNA at the Cedarfield Senior Living Community.
It's been very hard. I was with most of everyone that had COVID in the pandemic.
Witnessing even severe cases.
It was scary. It's like your lungs fill up with fluid and basically drowned.
That's why Phillips.
I think it's a good idea.
And Cedarfield nurse Susan Dunaway.
So I think it's a great idea that they're doing this.
Want all employees to be vaccinated. As for President Biden's mandate, Henderson believes there's more to be done.
He hasn't done it for everyone. He's done it for nursing homes. There are other senior living settings that are just as vulnerable. There are other hospital settings that have as many vulnerabilities to COVID-19 as long-term care nursing facilities. It's a great first step, but it's not enough.
Now, we also reached out to other organizations in our area, and we heard back from Consulate Healthcare, which oversees some nursing facilities locally. They tell us that they will be reviewing the regulations from CMS when they become available, but as for now, they continue to monitor their efforts to increase vaccination rates among staff.